Monese, when will my card arrive? So if you've applied for a certain card on the Monese app and then you're wondering when your card is actually going to arrive, well, it is very quite simple to find it out. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Monese app. So to find out how much date is left before we receive our card, you want to tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen after you log in, and right there you can see a couple of options right here, right? So you can just go to this option called Get Help. Once you go to the Get Help option, under common questions, one of the questions is when will my card arrive, or you can also use the search bar right there to search for it, but you can see when will my card arrive, and once you've done that you can see the answer. If your address is in the UK, your Monese card will usually arrive within 3 to 5 business days after you order it. If your address is anywhere else in the European Economic Area, it will usually take up to 14 days. So I hope this video pretty much answered your question. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.